In this video, I'm going to talk about what happens after a person has either pled guilty or been found guilty after a trial of a criminal act. Now, if this is a felony matter, the person is going to have to do a couple of things before the judge can sentence them on the crime in which they have been found to have been guilty of. A couple of things, including what they call an LSIR, which is a level of service inventory revised, and you're also going to have to do a PSI, or a pre-sentence investigation. These are things that are just done as a matter of course before a judge can sentence you in a criminal case. The LSIR is a process that a defendant goes through after they've been found guilty or pled guilty, and it's designed to help the judge determine recidivism rates, or that person's chance that they're going to commit a crime after this. Aside from the LSIR, you're going to do a PSI, or a pre-sentence investigation. This is required by law in any felony matter. What the PSI accomplishes is it goes through your entire criminal history. It's going to provide to the judge an accurate criminal history score so that the judge can use that when he sentences you. Now, the LSIR and the PSI are vital tools that a judge has to have at his disposal before they can accurately sentence you and fairly sentence you. Because these things are tools that the judge uses to sentence you, you get a say on what happens with them. For example, like the PSI, the pre-sentence investigation. If during the course of the pre-sentence investigation, there comes back some crime that you have never been convicted of that shows up on your pre-sentence investigation, you get a chance to object to the criminal history that's produced by that PSI. And then it's on the state to prove that you actually were convicted of that crime, and you can dispute that. Once you've objected to the criminal history score, it's on the state to prove that you have actually been convicted of those crimes before the judge can use that in enhancing any punishment you get. If you have any other questions about the PSI, pre-sentence investigation, or the LSIR, please view our website for a full detailed explanation.